What if I told you that in 2025, you can still buy crypto without uploading your ID, without selfies, and without KYC? Well, I did it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. This is your step-by-step guide to buying crypto without documents using methods that are fast, legal, and surprisingly simple. If you care about privacy and financial freedom, stick with me until the end, because some of these tricks might blow your mind. Imagine this. You're scrolling a peer-to-peer crypto marketplace on your phone, finding local sellers near you. You message one, agree on a price, meet up at a cafe, hand over cash, and a few taps later, crypto lands in your wallet. No sign-up, no verification, just you and another person making a deal. It almost feels underground, but it's 100% real. This method is called cash-based P2P, and platforms like Local Cryptos and BISC make it possible. The pros: full privacy and control. The cons: you need to be cautious, only meet in public places, always check the seller's reputation, and ideally bring someone with you the first time. Another tip: record the transaction on your device or take a screenshot of the agreement. It adds an extra layer of safety. Now, if you want something more automated, let's talk about crypto ATMs. These machines are popping up everywhere in train stations, convenience stores, and malls. You insert cash, scan your wallet QR code, and within seconds, your crypto shows up. As long as you stay under daily limits, often around 1,000 euros, there's no ID required. Just know the fees can be steep, sometimes 8 to 10%. Still, for speed and accessibility, they're hard to beat. Some ATMs even offer multiple tokens, not just Bitcoin, like Litecoin, Ethereum, or even stablecoins, which are great if you want to avoid volatility. But let's say you don't want to leave the house. Welcome to the world of decentralized exchanges, DEX, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. These platforms run entirely on blockchain, no company, no KYC. You connect a self-custody wallet, choose your tokens like ETH for a privacy coin, approve the gas fee, and watch it swap. For even more freedom, atomic swaps let you trade across blockchains with zero intermediaries. No one can freeze your funds or block a trade. But remember, DEX require you to understand gas fees, slippage liquidity, and wallet security. So don't dive in blind. Learn the basics before moving large amounts. Now, maybe you want something super easy. There are apps like SimpleSwap, ChangeNow, and Best Wallet that don't ask for ID. You just pick what you want to send and receive, lock in the rate, confirm, and in minutes the coins hit your wallet. The interface is smooth and user-friendly, but keep in mind your wallet still leaves a digital trace. If total privacy is your goal, it's time to go deeper into mixers and privacy coins. Monero hides your sender-receiver and amount by default. Zcash offers shielded transactions. If you already have Bitcoin, you can use mixers like CoinJoin built into wallets like Wasabi or Join Market. These tools shuffle your coins with others, breaking the link between your identity and your funds. It's powerful, but regulators are catching on. The EU plans to ban unverified privacy coin accounts by January 1st, 2027. So if you're going this route, stay informed. In the US and other regions, things are evolving fast, so check your local rules. And yes, there are offshore exchanges that cater to mixed coins only. Some platforms like MGBX or Bybit's anonymous pairs allow you to trade up to $100,000 a day, no passport, no ID, just crypto in, crypto out. But there's a risk. Platforms like these can disappear overnight, freezing your assets with no warning. If you choose this path, know what you're doing. Some users even split large trades across multiple platforms to lower risk. A smart move if you're playing with serious capital. So let's be real, buying crypto with no KYC is possible, but it's not without danger. Scammy P2P traders, crazy ATM fees, rug pull exchanges, and unclear laws can make this world risky. And when something goes wrong, there's no support team to call. It's all on you. That's the trade-off. Maximum privacy comes with maximum responsibility. So let's recap. You've seen how to buy crypto with cash, with ATMs on decentralized exchanges, through swap apps, with privacy coins, and on offshore no KYC exchanges. Each method skips identity checks in a different way, but each one also comes with a cost, whether it's in fees, legal uncertainty, or potential scams. And there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Maybe you value convenience over anonymity, or maybe your main concern is avoiding surveillance. Whatever the case, you now have options. So here's the real question. How far are you willing to go for privacy? It's your choice. But knowledge is your best defense.